How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? A 1, a 2.
It's been more than 50 probably.
A 3. Yes, he's weird. He likes lollipops. He's so adorable. You gotta get to like his face up here because his little fangies are.
Yeah, I see them.
His eyes are like crossed. Do you want this? Do you want it, Moo? Or are you done?
Now he's gonna be coughing up a hairball.
Do you want it? She's like, ooh, food.
Oh, there goes Shoe.
Okay, that's enough. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want this?
You're mean. You just hit him in the nose with it.
I'm sorry. Okay, too much sugar high. You're gonna be bouncing. Ooh. Okay.
Oh, Moo.
No.
Moo. Moo. Hey, Moo.